Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Uh, this is just a short video to show you how to edit your units on mangebac. Now for editing the units, you need access to your scope and sequence. So I have my scope and sequence opened right here, and I am going to show you how I review and edit my first unit of work, okay? I will go into mangebac now, and for the first thing that I need to do is go into the class that I'm interested in. In this case, I'm going to use my Year 10 Science class as an example. Once you're in there, you need to click on Tasks and Units. When you click there, you will see that all your units come up over here. That's your unit calendar, okay? First thing that you will do is select the unit that you're editing. In this case, I am editing G network, so I'll click on that, okay? Once you click on that, you will open this page. Okay, so this page is where all the information about the unit is and where you can make all the additions and changes. Okay, the first thing that I need to check is that the unit of work, the name is fine. Uh, I can also edit this section using the key here. I can edit it to put in information like the duration, especially for some subjects which have like 5 week units and 6 weeks units. You can use this to do that, and you can also edit the start date. Okay. Then comes the next section. The next section is about the inquiry concept, so establishing the purpose. So it has things like key and related concepts. Okay, so I'll go back to my unit scope and sequence and see what my key and related concepts are. My key concept is system, and related concept is form and function. So I'll go back here. I can see that my key concept here is systems, related concepts is form and function. Let's say if this was not the case and I needed to edit it, all I need to do is click on this button here, which is edit section. When I click it here, it suddenly changes to this kind of a view. Okay, when I click over here, or when I open this view, it's just a tick box in terms of selecting the correct concept. Now in some cases, especially when it comes to related concepts, you might have your own related concept that you want to add to. In most cases we don't have that over here at our school, but sometimes teachers do like to do that, and you can add your related concepts if that's the case using this button here. Okay, there is also an option which says show guidance, and this is taken directly from the IB guide, which is the principles to practice and standards in practice, and it gives you a quick overview of why we are using the key and related concepts. So in case you want like a quick reading, you can do that here. Okay, once you're done, all you need to do is click save changes, and it will save all the changes that you've made. Okay, that section completed, go into the next section. Check if you have correctly identified the global context, statement of inquiry, and the factual, conceptual, and debatable questions. Again, if you want to edit that, you click on edit section. And when you're in edit section here, I'm going to show you how you can add information about engagement. So sometimes you want to give a bit more information about the concept context of the inquiry that we are undertaking, or we want to write down, especially remember how I've told you that global context needs to have a purpose, right? Or how it is going to be a sort of an exploration idea, or a link to how you're going to explore global context through this unit. You can actually just put that over here. Okay, copy that from your scope and sequence or unit of work into here if you want to do that. Okay, in terms of lines of inquiry or your inquiry questions, you can actually just add more if you want using this add item button. All of them, they are actually a drop down. So when I click on add item, they're actually a drop down menu, so you can just click like that and add information. Okay, again, save changes. You need to add the assessment, the ATLs, um, and also the learner profile information and services action in case you have. You do not need to add any information about integration or learning experiences, guys. We don't have it as a requirement at this stage. Okay, please feel free to ask me if you have any questions, but I hope you found this video useful.